Hello, my friend, Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and I have some amazing items to share with you today. Now, whether you're ready for Halloween or Christmas or both, I am waiting for you because I have these awesome products. Now, those of you that are in our club already have our reindeer to stamp. And I was thinking, as I was designing that one, I was thinking, well, this cute little reindeer needs some friends. So I came up with more reindeers to stamp, and I got to show it to you because here it is. And look at how cute it is. It has 2 other reindeer friends for him. And it says, love you dearly, reindeer food, you're my dearest friend, and oh dear. And then it says, make a wish and close your eyes tight, then sprinkle on your lawn at night. If Santa's, wait, I can't read it. If Santa's reindeer fly and roam, the food will guide them to your home. Isn't that cute? And so here's a sample of the reindeer food. My team did amazing jobs with this. So here is that little poem with some reindeer food in the little tag holder. Oops, I opened that up here. We can pull this out. There's some little reindeer food. Isn't that adorable? And this little reindeer is just so cute. Actually, there's 2. Here's another one with the reindeer food. And you can just use oatmeal, which is perfect. Oats and then the little reindeer food. Isn't that adorable? Our tag holder is perfect for this idea because you can have your reindeer on it and then you can put the little recipe on the inside or the little information. Or you could do a little bag. And look how cute that is. Isn't that fun? Just a little fun thing to do with the kids. Oh, here's another one. So you could just make it a little bag topper. This is just literally a piece of cardstock folded over and stapled with a tag with the little reindeer poem. I love that. Now let's look at a couple more samples and then we'll go on to our other project. So here's a fun one. Love you dearly. I love that. Oh, here's one with the fireplace. Joy. Oh, here's a cute one, Merry Christmas. And I love this one because it incorporates the flower power background with Christmas. Isn't that fantastic? Now, oh, here's another reindeer food one. Look at this. Look at how cute this is. And it has the little information right there. And then here's the cute little reindeer food with some little extra goodies included. And then you can open it up and there's your little card, love you dearly. Imagine sending that to your little friends in your life. Now, that's Christmas. But what about Halloween? Now, when I was designing this set, and I'm going to show it to you first, then I'm going to explain it to you. So here it is, and it is called Halloween2build. Why is it called Halloween2build? Because you are going to be adding the faces in. The reason why I did it this way is originally I was working on the cat, and I had this mean face on this cat, and I thought that's perfect. And I said, but what if I wanted my cat to be happy? And then I thought, oh, but what if I wanted my cat to have fangs? Or what if I wanted my cat to... So I took off all their faces, and I know it looks funny on right here, but then now you can add the kitty cat face to the pumpkin, or the kitty cat face to the ghost, or the scary face to the bat. Mix and match the bats. And what's so funny is I just had finished the stamp set because I have to design them way far in advance. And I had somebody come up to me at one of the conventions and say, I need a bat stamp that has a happy face. And I thought, oh my goodness gracious, that's perfect. Because not too many people would want a bat with a happy face, but here's your bat, here's your happy face. Isn't that perfect? I know. So I'm really excited about this one because now you can mix and match the faces and have it be your personalized Halloween card. So let's look at our Halloween treats. And this is a sneak peek of another product coming soon. But look at that cute little pumpkin. Oh, and of course there's dies to match all of these, right? Stamps and dies, that's the only way to do it. But look at how cute that is. Happy Halloween, boo. So fun with the cute little bat stamped on there. Here's another one using just little leaves with the tree box. Oh, that's just a sneak peek. We got to save that one for another time. And this is another sneak peek, so we're saving that one for another time too. Look at that. Oh, here's another reindeer food one. Got to make sure we get that in. Now let's look at our Halloween samples. So here's a cute little Halloween one with our little pumpkin face. Look at how fun this one is. All those cute little faces on there. You just get to mix and match. That's what's fun about it. Now here's one that has our scarecrow on it as well. And we're going to open it up, and it has our 3D pop-up on the inside. Happy Halloween. And look at all those fun little guys. Now, the kids are going to love these stamp sets as well because they get to actually make their own creatures, which is really fun. And then here's another fun one using one of our wobbles. Look at this one. Look at that cat, that mean cat. That looks so fun. Different faces, and it just makes it so much fun. Now, hello, check this out. Look at how cute these little pencil toppers are. So you get to make your own little pencil toppers using these, and they just literally glued them onto the pencils. But look at how fun those are. You can mix and match them, add a whole bunch of, imagine this as a little gift to give to somebody. So fun with all those little creatures on there. And then back to our little deers really quick, because look at these, our two little deer. Oh, how cute. Halloween and Christmas, I've got you covered. So go check out the website at thestampsoflife.com. Club members, of course you're getting the club discount on these products. And if you're not in the club, what are you waiting for? You can join the club for only $11.95 a month, and that includes a brand new stamp set each month, and you get a 15% discount off pretty much everything on our website. So go check out Join the Club tab on our website, thestampsoflife.com, because you want to be in the coolest club in town and get that fantastic discount. Thanks so much, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.